In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com step by step. If you want to automatically sync subscribers, create items from new contacts, or update your email lists directly from your project management board, this integration will save you a huge amount of time and manual work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Mailchimp and Monday.com connected and running smoothly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board where you want the integration to run. This could be your CRM board, your marketing board, or any board where you're managing contacts or campaign data. Once your board is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Integrate button. This opens the Integration Center, where you can connect Monday.com with other tools. In the search bar, type Mailchimp. You'll see the Mailchimp integration appear in the results. Click on the Mailchimp integration to open the available automation recipes. Now you'll see several automation options, also called recipes. These are pre-built workflows that define what happens between Monday.com and Mailchimp. For example, you might see a recipe that says, when a subscriber is added in Mailchimp, create an item in this board. Another option might say, when an item is created in Monday.com, add or update a subscriber in Mailchimp. You may also see a recipe like, when a campaign is sent in Mailchimp, update item fields in Monday.com. Take a moment to choose the recipe that matches your workflow. If you want Monday to push contacts into Mailchimp, choose the Add or Update Subscriber option. If you want Mailchimp activity reflected inside Monday, choose one of the trigger-based recipes from Mailchimp. Click on the recipe you want to use. After selecting your recipe, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to connect your Mailchimp account. Click the Connect button. You'll be redirected to log into your Mailchimp account if you're not already signed in. Enter your credentials and continue. Mailchimp will then ask you to authorize Monday.com to access your account data. Review the permissions carefully and then click Allow to approve the connection. This step is required so the two platforms can securely sync information. Once connected, you'll move to the field mapping stage. This is where you match the columns in your Monday board to the fields in Mailchimp. For example, you'll typically map the email column in Monday to the email field in Mailchimp. You can map the name column to first name in Mailchimp. If you're using a status column, you might map that to subscription status. You can also map tags from Monday to Mailchimp tags to keep your audience organized. Make sure each required Mailchimp field is properly matched. If you need additional data points, click Add Mapping to include more fields. Accurate mapping is important because it ensures your data flows correctly between both platforms without errors. Take a moment to review everything before moving on. After you've completed your mappings, review the entire setup carefully. Double-check that the correct audience in Mailchimp is selected and that the correct board and columns are mapped. When you're satisfied, click Add to Board. This activates the integration. Your automation is now live and will run automatically based on the trigger you selected. From this point forward, whenever the trigger condition is met, Monday.com and Mailchimp will sync according to your configuration. You can always return to the Integration Center if you need to edit, pause, or remove the automation later. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Monday.com. This simple setup can automate subscriber management, keep your CRM organized, and eliminate repetitive manual updates between platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.